For the longest time, for about 2 years now, apart from the forex trading and every other thing, affiliate program has been one of my major source of income, that in such a way that I don't need to work anymore before getting paid on it. All right. So today we are going to do our video outdoor, the first of its kind. So stay tuned. I'm at Rumala Takwa right now. So we're going to talk about the advantage of affiliate program to your regular e-commerce business or regular internet business. All right. So guys, we are at Rumola Port Harcourt, and today we are going to do something a little bit different. All right. I've been making videos sitting down, and today I'm going to take us out. We'll be making a video outside of my office. So I consider taking the boat there on the, what I call, a river or stream, but when I saw the pedaling aspect and I came here to chill, not to sweat, and I decided no. All right, I just need to look for a place where I'll sit down and then chill out, and then just, first of all, I'm hungry. I've not eaten since morning. I've been busy, so I need to go find somewhere to eat. When I'm done eating, then I'll sit down, and then so we can talk a little bit about some things, some little stuff. So for now, let's just explore. All right, so I'm gonna take a very high view from here so that you see the perspective of the park, of this park, and then how it actually looks like. All right, so this is Port Harcourt, Nigeria. All right, I know most people don't show this aspect of Nigeria when they send videos to you. When they send you pictures, they don't show you this aspect of Nigeria, that we have some, actually some places that we can chill out, They always show you just the bad places or the bad things, but I might still need that water. I might still need that water because of the food. Hey, what's up? So, let's talk about finance matching, and this is what I have to say about finance matching. So today I've decided we're not talking much of business. We're just touring around Port Harcourt. We're just taking our time, enjoying the pleasure park of Port Harcourt. All right, so mind your way. So we're going to talk about the advantage of your of affiliate program to your regular e-commerce business or regular internet business. All right. So a lot of persons have asked this kind of questions before, and I can't overemphasize it because whatever I teach you guys or whatever I brought across to you guys are something that I've really experimented, and then I see that they really do work. All right. So here, like if you watch my previous video, I told you guys that we are going on a tour. So if you're not seeing my face very well, I'm right at a park in Port Harcourt, Nigeria, where I'm just chilling out, and then I decided to make this video to you guys to make you enjoy. So enjoy the epic views. All right. So um, now the first thing about affiliate marketing is when you have set up your system very well enough, and then you have it running. There's one thing that is very very unique about affiliate marketing is that, and that unique thing is the commission is a bit of recurring commission. Now what do I mean by recurring commission? Like if someone has purchased your affiliate program before, the chances of them coming back to purchase again is always there because affiliate program, there are some affiliate that runs that are recurring. All right, if someone purchased your affiliate program before and the avenue at which you share that program with them is still running, there is chances that more people are going to purchase. All right, they are going to come into the program. All right, what I mean is if you put up an article with your affiliate link and everything and someone bought into it and then you got a commission of that, now if that article is still up, more persons are still going to come in and they are still going to buy into it. All right, you get what I'm saying right now. Now for the longest time, for about 2 years now, apart from the forex trading and every other thing, affiliate program has been one of my major source of income, that in such a way that I don't need to work anymore before getting paid on it. All right. So if you really want to make good money, like from the comfort of your home, I believe you should check out good affiliate program because the commission are endless when they start coming in, especially when you have so many in line. The commissions are really endless. So if you really get this right, now some affiliate program I recommend for you is let's say try an affiliate program with Digistore, Clickbank, and then with trading company like DERIV binary or IQ option. They really do pay. All right, trust me, they do pay, and you're going to be happy with yourself that you did it in a couple of years to come. So see you in my next video.